The band-assisted reverse Nordic curl is a bodyweight leg exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps and improves knee health. These are tougher than they look, so if you're a beginner, you can use a resistance band before progressing up to the regular reverse Nordic curl. While the leg extension machine is a better option for overloading the quads, this is a solid alternative if you don't have access to one, as it follows a similar movement pattern while also providing a deep quadriceps stretch. To overload this variation, try adding extra reps or focus on going deeper into the stretch. Here's how to do it correctly. While kneeling on the floor, anchor a resistance band to a sturdy object at chest height, then hold the other end with both hands spread apart at shoulder width. Back away from the anchor point so there is tension on the resistance band with your feet flat and toes pointed behind you. Keep your body tall with your core and glutes contracted to maintain a straight line from your knees to your head throughout the exercise. With your core and glutes flexed, slowly lean backward, keeping your hips extended, and maintain a straight posture. Lower as far as you can while staying in control, using the band to assist if needed. Drive through your quads to return to the starting position, keeping the movement smooth and controlled. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.